Hey guys, I didn't know this. I don't have any more papers, guys. So today we're going to do a puppet. This, I don't know what this is. I did this like 5 days ago and it got ruined. So I'm doing. I'm going to be doing a simple dimple. I think a simple dimple, right? Do you think a simple dimple is good? Okay. So a simple dimple is going to be kind of big. Woo! Look at our simple dimple shape. Making a pop today. So, first is we're going to get different shapes. For example, first, for the tiny, we're going to have this shape. Okay, я делаю вы, пожалуйста, не disturb. Okay, never mind. Okay, so we got one. Now is we're going to do the next one, a big one. We'll do the big one. This time I'm going to have like a lot. It'll be like the gigantic. Okay. My shapes are not that good, but I like them to be honest. Ooh, okay. Now we're gonna be doing another one here. Should I do it or should I do one here? I'm gonna do like another one. Do like pure. Okay. Anyways, should I maybe use the soap? I don't know. Or is it gonna be like nah shit? Should I try it? Okay, I'm gonna try. Okay. Anyways, I'll raise it. I'm just gonna try and see what the shape will turn into. Oh my gosh. I mean, okay. It isn't that bad, actually. Let's continue. This went a little wet. So, how do you guys think? My simple dimple. This is something that's gonna look like. So we got the big dimple, the minimum, and the kind of funny. So now I'm gonna write my name, or actually no. Actually, I'm just gonna write Yessie. Yessie Fidgets. Yessie's Fidgets. Yay! Okay. And put the time. Not so like Yessie's Fidgets. So this is it. Now is the cutting part. After we're gonna be needing a cardboard to cut, which is actually a little hard. After I'm gonna trace it and do the same shape to another piece of paper. Try and cut where the line is, you know. Lost my patience here. After this, I'm going to do part 2 where I already cut the circles. The circles, I already really cut it. It will take like 10 hours. I'm going to stop at the circle. Post the next. Woo! Yay! Okay. Okay, so we got the circle. Now we're gonna cut this, this, and this, and get sure to have cardboard, and I'm gonna cut that with you. Wait, isn't it cutting from cardboard is hard? Oh, damn, it's gonna be hard. I don't know if I can do it, guys. I'm a little. Okay, bye bye.